Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about cloves. Number 1. Cloves are dried flower buds. Number 2. Cloves originated in Indonesia. Number 3. A clove tree is an evergreen tree. Number 4. They are aromatic. Number 5. It is a popular spice. Number 6. Cloves are known for their strong, warm and sweet flavor. Number 7. Some perfumes use cloves for the aroma. Number 8. It has antioxidants that have several health benefits. Number 9. Cloves are commonly used in Ayurveda. Number 10. People have used cloves in cooking for many years. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.